Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealth Guide. What if I said there could be a way for you to earn money by just watching videos? There are many instances where small businesses have their marketing department post video content onto social media in the hopes of attracting potential customers. However, not all businesses are successful in getting people to view their video-based content. So, this is where you come in. In order to have the algorithms of these social media sites to advertise their content more frequently, and therefore recommend it to more users, businesses are willing to pay you to watch their videos, and this is something most people would not want to turn down. So today, we are going to talk about how to make money online watching YouTube videos. Make sure to stick around to the end, as you don't want to miss the simple way of making money just by watching videos online. Number 10. Make a PayPal. Just like how you would need a physical bank to safeguard and store your cash, a digital bank account is needed when earning online. Using today's money-making method, you will be working online and earning digitally. So, how are you going to receive payments? The answer is an online wallet, and PayPal is the most secure online wallet out there. You should sign up for a PayPal account, because that is one way to earn through the methods we will be looking at today. While being able to receive and make payments, you can also add bank accounts and bank cards to your accounts. If you want to withdraw money, you can easily do so by withdrawing your funds to a bank account, and then withdrawing the amount at an ATM. It happens quickly and conveniently. Now to sign up for PayPal. First, go to the PayPal website, then look at the top of the page for the sign up button. Click on that. Now you'll be brought to a page that asks you if you would like to make a personal account or a business account. Select the personal account. It will ask you for your email address and a password. Make sure to enter a valid email address. For the password, choose something secure and never tell anyone what it is. You want your money to stay as secured as possible. Hit enter, and you're all set. Additionally, PayPal has a mobile app that you can download. This app has all the features of the website in compact form, so you can send, receive, and transfer funds normally through it. You can also withdraw within the app. It's convenient and a recommended app for earning on the go. Number 9. Go to the AddMeFast website. There are a few companies out there looking for people to be engaged by their social media posts. However, not all companies are successful at this. Therefore, they are willing to pay people to watch their videos and comment and share. There are thousands of companies willing to do this. One of the sites that hosts these videos is AddMeFast. On this website, you can get paid to watch many different kinds of videos. On AddMeFast, you'll be watching videos from your choice of social media, and that account will gain views while you gain currency, which is called coins on this website. This website is absolutely free to join. To start earning, create an AddMeFast account. Do this by going to their website, looking for the button that says sign up, and clicking it. Then enter a valid email address and a password. Then finish by clicking signing up. Number 8. Navigate the website. AddMeFast is relatively easy to navigate. On the left side of the page, you will notice a whole list of social media platforms that you can watch videos from. At the top of the page is a coin-based currency system. This is the key to how you will be earning, but it's a multiple-step system, so stick around to know how to use these coins. Number 7. Set up a page on AddMeFast. Generating likes manually is impossible for you to do on your own, but you can enlist the help of others. Log in to your AddMeFast account. Once you're there, look on the top left of the side panel and click Add Site/Page. Once you click that, fill out the form. Select what you want to be garnering. In this case, Facebook likes. Then select how many you want. Maybe your client requested 500 for the price of $10. Set this price to 500 likes. For countries, select worldwide, which will be a quick and genuine way to get likes. Then put in the page URL. The page URL will be provided to you by your client on the PlayerUp site. Then select how many coins you want to give out per click. That is why your coins are important, because you will be giving them out as rewards for those who give likes to the page. And you're all set. This can work for many different social media platforms, as we will be discovering later on in this video. So stick around to find out how to do it for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Number 6. Go to the PlayerUp website. What we are doing today can be compared to a drop shipping service, earning through one service but fulfilling it with another. To understand better, here's an example. You get paid $20 to fulfill a task, but you hire someone for $10 to fulfill that task. You will still get $10 for basically doing nothing. We will be doing that today. So you'll want to go to the PlayerUp website. This website is easy to navigate, but first you need to sign up. Go to the top of the page and click on the Login or Sign Up button. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam, or just enter your email address. Then put in a password. It's that simple and you're ready to go. On this website, You can sell many different things, such as Clash of Clans accounts or Facebook likes. Number 5. Sell Facebook likes on PlayerUp. Buying and selling on Facebook is one of the things we'll be doing today. Companies value Facebook likes. These likes can boost their posts and encourage more engagement. A company that receives a lot of likes will also seem more reliable, and companies want that. Now you will be selling Facebook likes through using PlayerUp for the companies or individuals who require them. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing for Facebook likes. Set your price, maybe $10, maybe $5. It's completely up to you. Now, follow the next step closely to learn how to get this fulfilled. Number 4. Sell likes on Instagram on PlayerUp. One of the biggest and most used social media platforms out there is Instagram, an app which allows you to post and like photos and videos. This site has many influencers, and people who want to be influencers. However, you would need a lot of likes to be one. Likes and followers can be hard to come by. That's where you come in. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Again, like with the Facebook likes, you will be setting up a listing. This time, you could sell likes or followers. Be sure to set your price accordingly. Fulfill these likes and follows through AddMeFast. Select the option for Instagram likes or follows according to what you're selling. Then people will start following that account and liking their content. That will lead to a happy client who is now fulfilled with a great reputation. Number 3. Watch YouTube videos. This is the simplest part. Watch videos. On AddMeFast, scroll down to the left side of the page and click on YouTube. A window should pop up. When the window pops up, watch the video in the window. It may be an advertisement. You'll only need to watch around 30 seconds of it. Watch as many videos as you can to earn as many coins as you can. These coins are important later. The user needs to gain more views, and so these videos were posted on this site. More views means more engagement. More people will want to like, comment, and share, and that boosts the YouTube algorithm and tells it to recommend the video to other people, slowly growing the traffic on the site. So, you can help them out while earning at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Number 2. Sell views on YouTube on PlayerUp. One of the biggest and perhaps most influential video sharing sites out there is YouTube. Although there are millions and millions of views on the platform, not all of these videos get views. There are some YouTube channels that want their views to reach as many people as possible, and in order to do so, it must run with YouTube algorithm. The algorithm works in your favor when you get likes and comments, so those who are not able to get enough people to like their videos, they're willing to pay for these likes. You can be one of those people to get paid to sell likes. Here's how you can be part of this. Like with the other steps, you need to go to your PlayerUp account. Then, make a listing saying that you will sell YouTube views. Set your price. Go to AddMeFast and set up a page so people can view the video that your client requested views on. Number 1. Sell views on TikTok on PlayerUp. TikTok has taken the world by storm. This is now home to many up-and-coming internet celebrities. And these internet celebrities will want more views on their TikTok videos. Whether it be dancing, cooking, painting, this app is full of variety content that needs to be viewed. And viewing it is easy since the time limit on all these videos is 1 minute. Now, to sell views, just like previous steps, go to your PlayerUp account. Now, set up a listing that says you will be selling TikTok views. Then, go to AddMeFast and add a page for TikTok views. Tons of people will view it, and your client will be satisfied. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!